Join me as I dive deep into the world of stocks and make my bold prediction on whether Tesla's stock will soar in 2025. Tesla stock is one of the most widely followed and debated stocks in the market, and for good reason. The company's innovative approach to electric vehicles, clean energy, and autonomous driving has garnered a loyal following among investors and consumers alike. But with great potential comes great volatility, and Tesla's stock has seen its fair share of ups and downs over the years. When it comes to challenges, Tesla faces a plethora of them. Competition in the electric vehicle space is heating up, with established players like General Motors and Volkswagen investing heavily in their EV offerings. Production issues, such as those seen in recent years, can significantly impact Tesla's ability to meet demand and generate revenue. And let's not forget about market volatility. A single tweet from Elon Musk can send the stock soaring or plummeting. Add to that the rising costs of manufacturing and the ongoing trade tensions, and it's clear that Tesla has its work cut out for it. Furthermore, the company's reliance on luxury vehicles means that it's often at the mercy of shifting consumer preferences. Should the appetite for premium EVs wane, Tesla's revenue could take a significant hit. The ongoing pandemic has also highlighted the fragility of global supply chains, and Tesla is not immune to these risks. With so many variables at play, it's no wonder investors are on edge when it comes to predicting Tesla's stock performance. In addition to these challenges, the broader economic outlook is also a major concern. Central banks around the world are tightening their belts, and interest rates are on the rise. This could lead to a decrease in consumer spending, which would disproportionately affect Tesla's high-end offerings. And let's not forget about the threat of regulatory changes, which could impact Tesla's ability to operate and expand its business. Despite these challenges, there are several key factors that could influence Tesla's stock performance in 2025. For one, the company's technological advancements in areas like autonomous driving and battery technology are unparalleled. Should these innovations come to fruition, they could disrupt entire industries and send Tesla's stock soaring. Moreover, the ongoing shift towards sustainable energy and environmentally friendly practices is likely to continue, and Tesla is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Additionally, Tesla's foray into new markets, such as China and India, could provide a significant boost to its revenue. And let's not forget about the company's impressive track record of execution. Despite setbacks, Tesla has consistently managed to meet its production targets and expand its product offerings. With so many positives working in its favor, it's no wonder investors are bullish on Tesla's prospects. In my opinion, the most compelling insight into Tesla's stock performance in 2025 is its potential to break out of its current price range. With the company's innovative pipeline and expanding product offerings, I believe Tesla has the potential to reach new heights. Furthermore, the ongoing shift towards sustainable energy and the growing demand for electric vehicles could provide a tailwind for Tesla's stock. And with Elon Musk at the helm, investors can be sure that Tesla will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Given the numerous challenges and opportunities facing Tesla, it's clear that the company's stock performance in 2025 will be anything but predictable. However, one thing is certain: Tesla will continue to be a major player in the stock market, and its performance will have significant implications for investors everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Tesla's stock is definitely one to watch in the coming year. So, what do you think? Will Tesla's stock soar in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about stock market predictions, be sure to check out my video on the top stocks to watch in 2025.